Hi everyone. For an ellipse, x squared divided by 4 plus y squared divided by 8 equals 1, and the line x plus y minus 2 equals 0, we're going to determine the number of intersection points. So we're going to use substitution and substitute in one of these equations into the other. So the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this one. If we have x squared divided by 4 plus y squared divided by 8, I'll go ahead and subtract that 1, set it to 0. Let's clear the fractions because it's going to make it easier to do that. So if you clear the fractions, it means we multiply each term by 8. That's going to give me 2x squared plus y squared minus 8 equals 0. Now let's go ahead for this one and solve for y. So we have x plus y minus 2 equals 0. And if you solve for y, we're going to get y equals negative x plus 2. So I'll call this equation 1 and this equation 2. Now let's substitute in our y into this y. So we're going to get 2x squared plus something y squared. I'm going to go ahead and write this as 2 minus x because it's easier for me. And then we have minus 8 equals 0. This gives me 2x squared plus 4 minus 2ab. So that's 4x and plus x squared minus 8 equals 0. This simplifies to 3x squared minus 4x minus 4 equals 0. And I'll call this equation 3. All right, so after we do that, we're going to use the discriminant and because we want to find out how many intersection points there are. So basically we have, let's see, let me write it down again. I had 3, I have it on my paper, 3x squared minus 4x minus 4. 3x squared minus 4x minus 4 equals 0. Now, to use the discriminant, what we're going to do is look at this. So if our discriminant is greater than 0, we have 2 intersection points. If it equals 0, we have 1 intersection point. If it's less than 0, no intersection point. Another thing I'm going to do is do my discriminant this way. So all I did was take my discriminant and divided each term by 4 because it makes it easier. So basically my discriminant divided by 4 is going to equal 4 plus 12. All right, so basically all I did was take my b, so I had negative 4 squared divided by 4 minus 3 times negative 4. And that makes it a lot easier versus using that one. All right, so this is going to, doesn't matter really what it equals, so we just know it's greater than 0. And our question is determine the number of intersection points. So that means it intersects, the ellipse and line intersect at 2 different points. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.